Hi champs, what's up? Your English Don is here. Ask me any question if you dare to. This time, this question has been sent by Mahmudul Hassan Shohag. Thank you very much for sending me this question. This is a very easy question, but why I have taken? The reason is that here we will solve parts of speech, the problem of parts of speech, and this topic is very important topic for SSC and JSC students. Unfortunately, we don't have any marks in intermediate or intermediate syllabus. You don't have this. Hey, NCTB, I would like to say incorporate this item in intermediate syllabus too. This is a very epic topic, and also you should incorporate some marks on tense and also voice change. On voice change, you have given just only 1 mark. Give 5 marks on voice change. You know, voice is very important, tense important, and parts of speech, very important topic. These 3 topics: parts of speech, tense, voice, you have to understand. Now let's come to the question. Before that, I would like to say, if you don't understand parts of speech, the relationships of words, then I have another video, watch it. Otherwise you will not understand this one. Okay, writing is the 4 skill. So here we have the, and after the we use ordinal number. Ordinal number and cardinal number, what are they? Sometimes I become confused with ordinal number and cardinal number. Now, how I remember? I remember this way. For example, I'm writing here. Where should I write? For example, I'm writing here 1. So 1, and the opposite will be not the ordinal one. Okay, ordinal, not this one. So it will be cardinal. So this way I remember. 1 here, it started with O. Ordinal, this one also started with O, but they are not equal. So this way I remember. So this way you can remember. So here we need ordinal number. Ordinal number means first, second, third, and cardinal number means 1, 2, 3, 4. As this is not equal, 1 is not equal to ordinal, so 1 is equal to cardinal number. So here we need what? We need here ordinal number. So here it will be 4th skill. So writing is the 4th skill. We say the first boy, second, the third. This way we say. So first, second, third. Before that we use the. Here we have the, so it will be 4th skill. I think you understood. Now, it is essential for those who take education. Now, this is a complete sentence. Look at this. It is essential for those who take education. Up to this, we can finish here. But after that, if we want to add anything additionally, it will be adverb. Another way we can determine this one, like who take, then education how, then the answer would be formally. So both way we can identify this one, it will be adverb. So you have to understand the relationship between words. A noun is modified by an adjective. She is a good girl. Girl is modified by good, and good is adjective, girl is noun. Very simple. Now, she is a very beautiful girl. I can say this way. Very is an adverb. An adverb can modify an adjective, verb, adverb. Okay, here, let me write here, adverb. So adverb can modify adjective, and verb equals verb, and in total adverb. So adverb can modify 3 things. Add equals adjective, verb equals verb, and in total adverb. So adverb can modify 3 things. adjective, verb, and adverb, and sometimes the whole sentence. Like for example, please come here. I can say come here. How am I saying? I can say please come here. So I'm saying it politely. So it can modify the whole sentence. These two things you have to understand. Who modifies whom? Noun is modified by an adjective, or an adjective can modify a noun. An adverb can modify three things. Adverb can modify whom. Adverb itself is saying, like add equals adjective, verb equals verb, and in total adverb. So adjective can modify a noun, adverb can modify adjective, verb, adverb. So here this verb is modified by this word formal, so it will be formally. Why? Because it will be adverb. Another way, if we can reduce, if we can remove any word, that will be adverb. Like I can say he is a very good player. So we can say he is a good player. I can omit very easily. So it is adverb. Now, next one. Those who do not go to school and colleges should be schools. Let me write in with black ink. Schools. Like those who do not go to schools and colleges for dash institution education. Institution education. Look at this. This one. Education. This is a noun, right? Education. This is a noun. And noun is modified by an adjective. So here institution is also a noun. Here we need an adjective, right? Because a noun is modified by an adjective. Here we need an adjective. So it will be institutional. So institutional education. Understood this one? I told you before, a noun can be modified by an adjective. An adverb can modify an adjective, verb, and adverb. Okay. So do not read and write. Like those who do not go to school, they can't read and write. Okay. Then they can learn the mother tongue. But they can learn the mother tongue. They do not know how to read and write, but they can speak. Okay. So they can learn the mother tongue. They can learn their mother tongue. This is possible only because, and also here a very good thing you can learn, that is only because, not only for. You cannot say only for, you have to say only because. Okay, this is another grammar. So only because of listening and speaking. But in the case of foreign language, the process is dash differ. Okay, the process is differ. Now here I should give a full stop. Process is differ. It will be process is different. Why? Let me write it down first, then I'm explaining. Different. Why it will be different? Why it will be different? Okay, now let me remove it here, and then I'm writing here. Like I can say he is rich. He is rich. Here, after the linking verb, what is the linking verb? Like am, is, are, was, were, then become, then feel, taste. Okay, they are the linking verbs. And after the linking verbs, we use adjective. After linking verbs, we use adjective. But sometimes after linking verb, we also use noun. For example, he is John. He is John. So after the linking verb, we are using here noun and also adjective. Now the question is how to understand which one is adjective, which one is noun. It is a very good question. Now this way we can identify after this word rich. After this word rich, can I put another word? Yes, we can, like rich man, rich boy, rich dress, rich food. This way we can say it means this is an adjective. What about this one? John, after John we can't. Like John, after that we can't. So John is a noun. So if we can add anything more, if we can add another noun, so it will be an adjective. But if we can't add anything, then it will be itself a noun. So after linking verb we can use adjective and also we can use noun, but very easily we can identify or we can understand which one is adjective, which one is noun. Okay, now here what we need, the process is different. The process is different. Here we need adjective. The process is different because here the process is difference. We can't say this way. Although after linking verb we can use noun and also we can use adjective, but the situation will demand which one we will put. So here the process is different. I think you understood this one. Next one, the learners should avoid methodology practice. Now look at this. Practice, this one is noun. And before the noun, we need what? Can you remember? Yes, before the noun, we need adjective. So here we have methodology. This is also a noun. So we need adjective. So we have to write methodological. We are making it adjective. So methodological practice. So before noun we need adjective, so we have made it an adjective. Understood? Very easy. Like a noun can be modified by an adjective, or simply we can say adjective can modify a noun. Adverb can modify three things: adjective, verb and adverb. I think if you remember just these two things, then easily you can, most of the gaps you can fill it up easily. Next one, writing is an importance skill. Same thing, the same thing is coming again and again. Skill, noun definitely, and before that we need adjective, so it will be important skill. Here we have importance, noun. So this noun will be modified by an adjective, so it will be important skill. Next one, it is called what? It is called produce skill. Same thing, skill, noun. Before that we need what? Can you remember? Yes, adjective. Noun can be modified by an adjective, so we have to make it an adjective. Produce, the adjective of produce is productive, right? So productive skill, so it is called productive skill. Next one, it develops one's power of writing and also the power of dash imagine. Okay, now here another rule, that is here we have of preposition. After preposition we need noun. After preposition we need noun, or noun can be placed in 5 places: subject, object, object of preposition, complement, apposition. Please watch the video on parts of speech, which one I have made a very large video, 70 minutes video, but it will be an investment. Okay, believe me, I have talked here intensively, very widely I have talked, and you'll be hugely benefited if you just watch this video. So after preposition we need noun. So here we have imagine, it will be imagination. So it will be noun, imagination. Okay, after preposition we need noun. Okay, after that, to improve writing skill. Writing skill, the learner should learn new words and their uses in then practice life. Now life, this one is noun, and before the noun what we need? Can you remember? Yes, adjective. So it will be practical life. Life now, it will be adjective. So practice, it will be practical. Practical life. I think you understood. Next one. They should try to write on different topics dash regular. Different topics. Okay, after this, if we think this sentence is finished, we can. For example, they should try to write on different topics. After this, we need not use any other word. If we can reduce any other word, if we can omit any other word, definitely it will be an adverb. And they should write like which interval, after giving which interval. So here this actually gives the answer frequency. We can say regularly. So regularly it gives the answer of frequency, like they should try to write when, regularly. Okay, so here we are writing here regularly. Okay, they should try to write on different topics regularly, because we can omit, this is adverb. Another way we can understand that they should try when, regularly, on regular basis, actually giving certain interval. Okay, so if you want to master in this topic, two things mostly needed. One is noun is modified by an adjective, or adjective can modify only noun. Adverb can modify an adjective, verb, and also adverb. Mostly, if you just remember these two things, then it will be very, very easy. And also, we have to learn other parts of speech. For example, here we have preposition. After preposition, we need noun. This kind of things will come, and you have to know this. For this, please watch my video on parts of speech, identifying parts of speech. And I have lots of videos on this, but most importantly, the longer one, this video you can watch. I will give the link in the I button and also in the description, then so that you can watch it very easily. I think Mahmudul Hassan Shohag, you have got the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Last but not the least, love your country and do something for the humanity. Bye-bye.